All right, my people, now welcome back onto this channel. No be small something, still on the matter. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly waiting the bill, exactly waiting the people. Then they talk about it now. It don't happen. Oju everybody ti jabayi. O ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ kọ́kọ́ ra meat pie. Ká tó ta epo fún yín. Bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́, a ní ta nothing. All right, my brother, my sister, no be small something. We dey talk this thing since everybody will be say, then they shout one Nigeria, all their eyes now. E don sharpen. Ojú wọn ti já báyìí o. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń pariwo one Nigeria. All right, my brother, my sister, no be small something. See wetin dey sup, see wetin dey happen now. Everywhere don dabaru. In fact, I can't remember that song wey that boy sing. Ìgboro ti dàrú, mo ti gbowó ẹ fẹ́ máa ranjú. Nothing do me, nothing do you at all. All right, now so it can be onto this one. Ìgboro e don dàrú. Now then they kpai people up and down. Food no dey, hardship everywhere. Yet some people still dey shout to say yes, na one Nigeria. In fact, those people wey dey shout to restructuring, where dem dey now, make we restructure the country. Since they don dey talk about restructuring, where restructuring don carry us reach, na wetin for na him be this. So my brother, my sister, everybody dey para, everybody come dey cry now, say hey, had I know. My brother, my sister, no be small something. Yeah, so and I know no go be our portion. Now make una see wetin dey happen, wetin dey sup for this country. We don talk this thing many times. Make all of us go our separate ways. Una say no, say una wan sit down there simply because of the small thing wey be say e dey reach una. Now all those people wey come outside that time go dey campaign say yes, so our local. E don come outside. Omoyele Sowore don come outside. E don clear everybody. Say why una dey deceive on ourselves? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no talk or say our local. Waiting in talk be say emi local. So all of una wey be say una dey put head, they na dey use una head, they knack a wall. Now use una head, they do as una like. Say no, as far as this regime is concerned, as far as this Yoruba is concerned, now we be the Yoruba. Welcome. Now don't forget, say tribalism na him they take they rule this country, which is not supposed to be. Okay, if no be say na tribalism they take they rule this country, make una check waiting this man, waiting that they call him this man we carry people money come out to this Yaya, the former governor of Kogi State, Yaya Bello. Now upon say the man do bad thing, upon all the bad thing wey be say this man do, she be una dey hear wetin dey sup. This man now, all the people wey be say they know say this man do bad thing because they know say him na their tribe person. Now tribalism don enter. They say make them leave am. In people for your own region, they say make them leave am. Say abeg, say wetin happen now. If he thief money nko and so nko. My brother, my sister, see the country where we dey. If una know say na so it won't be tribalism, you dey fight for your tribe, your tribal person. Me, I dey fight for my tribal person. Ngwanu, e don reach now, abi. Wetin we dey talk about? Lẹ́yìn tó ti jẹ́ pé okay, ìwọ ń jà fún ìran tiẹ̀ ni, okay, gbogbo nǹkan tó jí kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ filẹ̀, ìgbà náà nǹkan ṣé a ṣe ń rí ni. Níwọ̀n ìgbà tó ti jẹ́ pé báyẹn ló ṣe fẹ́ rí dẹ́ kí oníkálukú lọ tiẹ̀ náà. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Yorùbá nation náà máa lọ náà, àbí? Ṣé na tó lọ́bù make Yorùbá nation people dem go their own separate ways. Na wetin we dey talk about that. Since you na don talk say okay, this person simply because Yaya Bello na from your side, all the people wey dey inside come dey support am, even unto say the man na bad thing he do. Unto say he do bad thing, they no send him. Na wetin push us to where we dey now be this. Everybody come outside. Yes, so àwa tiwa ló lè ṣe o. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Tinubu ṣe o, kó ṣe ó máa dá ó máa rọrùn. Unto say dem believe say if he reach there, e go better. Well, I no go blame the people. Na wetin dem think be that. Say if he reach there, e go better. But make una see wetin comes up now. This next month now, where we wan enter. In fact, we don't even enter the month. In fact, like this, we don't enter May already. Now he go complete a 1 year. 1 full year. People where they talk say it go soon better. 1 month go e go better, 2 months, 3 months e go better, 4 months, 5 months, no, e don near to better. My brother, my sister, 11 months to 12 months tomorrow. Now it be 1st of May, yet the thing dey get worse by the day. Now everybody high don sharpen. See as dem dey sell the petrol for everywhere now. Everything don cost. For the country wey be say na we get the oil, na we dey supply other countries the oil. Even the country wey be say we dey supply all this oil sef, dem no dey suffer the way wey be say we dey suffer. Shebi una dey see am? The people wey we dey supply light sef, dem dey get light pass us. My brother, my sister, wetin dey sup? All those ones dem dey even dey enjoy the thing pass us. We wey be say we start everything, dey give everything out, dey support, dey in fact dey do everything wey we get all the resources. Na we dey suffer. Now if dem catch this one go say abeg make una leave am because him na my tribe man. If this one do bad thing, this one go say make we leave am. Shebi all of una see wetin happen for the time of the former president Buhari, wey be say if dem catch him people like this, he go say abeg make una leave them, dem go repent, dem go change, dem go live better life. Na so dem dey do till now. If that is the case, una no don see say we no go fit work together. Na don see am say e no dey work for us. Now we say we wan go our separate ways. Pa fẹ́ lọ ń lọ tiwa, ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní pé ká má lọ, kí ló dé? Ìbáṣepọ̀ wa kò dán mọ́rán. In fact, a lè jọ wà pọ̀. Nǹkan tí gbogbo àwọn ènìyàn ń sọnù, a lè jọ wà pọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ ń lọ tiwa. Ṣé dandan ni? Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń pa wọ́n, ẹ̀ ń pa wá, ẹ̀ ń pa wá, ẹ̀ ń pa wá lójoojúmọ́. Gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ kò sí tó dán mọ́rán mọ́ra wọn. Nothing dey work together. Yet na say make we dey there. No, e no go happen. Kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀, kò jọ. Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly wetin dem be. Now people enter filling station. You can imagine. We dey shout to say fuel e don cost, fuel e don cost. Make una go check wetin dey sup now. Ekpo now is a 900 for some filling station. Who does that? If they see say things want better, then go find one way or the other to make am go high again. Wetin dey happen? Many people now don pack their motor, nobody fit comot again. How much be people salary? No be say if they wan enter transport, my brother, my sister, na in fact na their full salary now. Then they take the enter transport to dey go work. At the end of the month, wetin they wan save. Now many people now don dey trek up and down. You see, many people now dey trek up and down. They suffer because dem no fit cope. Abi person wey be say dey collect 50,000 sef, at the end of the day e come use like 55,000 for transport. My brother, my sister, which account be that? We dey talk, how many people still dey talk say yes na one Nigeria, because of their own selfish reason. Because of their own selfish reason, my brother, my sister. Now for some area for wetin they call am, Ogun State, Ijebu people, then they say for their area, some of them they buy am for 1,200 per litre. My brother, my sister, say wetin happen? Ṣógun láyé ni. Ṣógun láyé ni. A ní Yoruba nation no going back. Wọ́n bá wa dùn pé irọ́ o, kò sí ibi tẹ́ ń lọ, pé a gbọ́dọ̀ jọ wà ní. Ṣé dandan ni? Ṣán bí wa pọ̀ ni? According to the Yorubas, they say ṣán bí ṣórin mẹ́ja ni. My brother, my sister, no be small something. Everybody need to wake up. Chief Sunday Egbawao don't try him best. He don't try him best. He don't say okay, all these people, say no one get sense. The thing surprise me. He shocklize everybody. To the extent they say get one filling station. What be say before you go even buy fuel there? They say before they go sell fuel for you, you must buy meat pie. My brother, my sister, you can imagine meat pie. One na 500 naira. The smallest one na 500 naira. The one of 1,000 naira dey there. But at least you must buy the one of 500. Even if it be say na 1,000 naira dey your hand to say you won't buy fuel. Now that 1,000 now, in fact, for some filling station, you no go fit buy. You no go fit buy the fuel because your money no reach. Now they come see they tell you say make you first buy your meat pie inside. My brother, my sister, who does that? Waiting they happen. Now as it be so, everybody need to wake up. They say they invite our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to Saudi Arabia. They reach there, they ask some questions. Say, okay, this one will be say you remove a subsidy, you do this one for the betterment of the country. How far? Waiting on the sub for your country now. Hope all this thing will be say make you remove a subsidy now. If they work according to waiting you talk. The man say yes, so everything they work well. We be say now many people they filling station, they queue even with your money self. Some people even already buy the fuel for that 900, 1,002. Even with your money, they say some filling station they go see off am say they no sell again, say they don't tire, they no want sell again. My brother, my sister, where will they go for this country? That is why the strong people don't come outside. They say I beg you, make we go our separate ways, jejely and wirely. We know the cause quarrel, we know the fighting. Yeah, so now so it can be we be say everybody now they hide down sharpen. Even get one man we come outside say this thing where they happen, so they need to make the government need to make sure say even make sure say money this policy or waiting that naira policy scarcity where they that time say make they hard on to this the problem where they on ground, so that the brain of the people go reset. You can imagine. Maybe you know here and where the man go filling station, he go buy fuel. As he go filling station go buy fuel, because say the queue too much, then they sell am for 900 naira per liter. He say okay, no wahala, people queue so tey he wan reach the man turn. Na him dem hustle nozzle say they no sell again. Na him the man vex come outside. He say this country say we never suffer reach. Abeg, he say make the government make sure say that cashless policy wey be say money no come even dey, make dem seize all the money, so that the sufferness go plenty pass like this. Say na wetin dem want to be that, so that the people head brain go reset. You can imagine which people brain wan reset now. Na the people wey be say dem no wan believe to go with the Yoruba nation movement. Dem believe say na one Nigeria na im go help them. See news wey we dey hear now for this Oyo state wey be say this Fulani people they enter some area close to Ibarakpa there. That news I will see come outside, they can't clear on as it be. They say that they call the place Abule Maya for Ibarakpa Central. Now that area if it happen, then buy many Yoruba people, then do anyhow. At the end of the day, nothing government to do for our own land. My brother, my sister, waiting the shop. Still on the matter, if una no wake up, my brother, my sister, before it is too late, my brother, my sister, he get as he bill. Well, my brother, this one are the one wey be say I can't say make a let una know as they hot. More tori go they come on our way as he be. So well, if this one are your first time wey be say you dey join us onto this level, I pray you make it try, make it subscribe, make it share, make it for the go viral. In fact, keep thumbs up, they like the video as they hot. No let them call until I come on our way next time onto this one. I say on a bye for now.